Hi, y'all.
Hi, y'all.
Truck driver Linda.
Truck driver Paul.
What a week. Lots of snow. We were in it for, I don't know, probably 2,000 miles, maybe even longer,
like that,
maybe even more. We were in Dallas, hit Denver, went from Denver to Salt Lake City, and then from Salt Lake City, we went to Atlanta, and that was snow and ice for probably 2,000 miles on that one. From Atlanta, we got to hit beautiful Miami. That was really not, for very short
time.
Oh, too bad. It was so short, but
83 degrees outside.
yeah.
Oh my God, it was so nice.
And
but we were only there for a short amount of time.
yeah, just
not
a few
enough
hours
to enjoy it.
Yeah, just it was enough to just be like a really good teaser. Like,
yeah.
Oh, here you go. No, you don't. And now we're in Pennsylvania. Which really, I'm surprised at the lack of snow here. There's a little bit of snow, but not that much. It's really not too bad today.
32 degrees.
Yeah, it's gloomy and overcast, but it's not snowing or raining. We are taking the day off, doing some 34-hour resets. So any of y'all in the trucking would know what that is. So it's been laundry and just chores, which sounds funny, but we actually kind of enjoy the domestic chores a little bit. This truck moves 24 hours, well, I guess probably 20 to 22 hours a day. And just to stop and do something as easy as laundry, or as domestic as laundry, is really kind of a blessing sometimes.
Just walking through Walmart is a time off.
Yeah, anything that, especially in the winter months, it's so, you just can't get out and do anything like you can in the summer. What are we going to do today? Well, today, we thought we would show you how I set up to cook. I know, right? It may take longer doing it on a video, but when I set up to cook, it takes usually about 3 minutes, maybe 5, I guess. Not very long, does it?
No.
It doesn't take me very long at all to set up to cook. So Paul, though, is going to be my cameraman today.
I'm going to try.
we should do a disclaimer here. Paul sucks at being a cameraman.
I do. Can't even take pictures.
No, he's not good at the camera at all. There's a reason that when we record, Paul just sits up front and I have this on like a little selfie stick. But I have to say, I have complete faith. It'll be good. Because if it's not, we're going to put it all away and we're going to do it over and over and over until it's dark. Or we just get frustrated until it's too dark. Or we just get frustrated, so frustrated I give up and just do something else instead. Just kidding, we'll get it. He'll get it, you'll get it. Get the lipstick off. Okay, alright, so now we're going to give him the camera. And start to finish, I'm going to show you how I set up to cook. So the first thing I do is I go under the bed and I get out what I need under the bed. Which today, we're doing it in the lunchbox, so all I need is my seasonings. So the seasonings I usually set right here at the foot of the bed. So I think a lot of times they're just off of camera. So then I come over here and I don't think these were here during the truck tour because I think they were in the dirty laundry. But I grab a couple of towels here and get those out. And I'm going to open this cabinet. I don't know if Paul will be able to get in, but... Alright, so in here, I get the bowls that I might need, usually. So I've got a couple bowls that's got the tape on it. And it says soap. So this one is, I use it for my dish soap. And then this one is for rinsing. So I get these two bowls out. Put those back. And I usually keep a lid on it because I don't want the stuff going everywhere. Alright. And I give it just a teeny little drop of soap like that. That's really all it needs. And then I use the coffee machine to put hot water in here and in here. And then I can cool it down with cool water if I need to. So that is for water. Okay. And then right here, I would grab me a couple of kitchen towels and a dish towel or dish rag right there. So then what I'm going to do is this little basket, our little catch-all, I usually just set it right over here, and it's usually sitting there every time I record. And then I grab Clorox wipes, because even with the dish soap, I still like the Clorox wipes here. Alright, so for the towels, I don't want food to get all over our bed. So I set a towel here, and this is what I sit on, right here. The coffee machine, I shove it back a little ways, and then this goes here. And then my soaps go right here, just like that. And then I open this, I pull out my gloves, my utensils go here, my gloves, my cutting board is right here, and it goes right here, just like that. And then usually I've got this sitting out over here too. So for anything I need to set down, right there is there. Oh, and my food, which today I'm doing canned goods. So I need to come back here and get these. Alright, and that's pretty much it. And then I come on in here and I sit down right here. Ta-da! And I'm actually now set up to cook. A couple of things I wanted to kind of go over as well in this video is, it was brought to my attention that we should mention playlist, which I think is probably a really, really good idea. We have playlists set up, so if you're looking for a lunchbox, you go over to the playlist section at the top of your screen, and it'll take you to everything we've done for the lunchbox, or if you want desserts, or if you want breakfast, or if you want it from a skillet. So some of them are in more than one playlist, like it might be lunchbox and seafood, or it might be lunchbox and breakfast. Go check out the playlist, and it'll make things a lot easier for searching for things, I guess. And then also our seasonings. We have a subscriber, and his name is Harry Clayton II. He's not just a subscriber, he's a truck driver and an author of Kindle cookbooks for the RoadPro, and then also for the Burton. He has a Kindle book full of delicious recipes for the 12 volt, the RoadPro 12 volt stove. He left a comment when we did the seasonings video, how I store the seasonings. He left a comment about the outside pockets and how they could be used for like bottles and liquids. And Harry, it was genius. I love the idea. So I've added liquid smoke here, Tabasco sauce. On the end here, I've got balsamic vinegar and Worcestershire sauce. So it was an amazing suggestion. I love the idea. I've taken your idea and used it already. So anyway, I wanted to thank you so very much for that and give you a little shout out on it. And for anybody that's watched any of our videos, if you go down in the descriptions, there is a link to his Kindle book through Amazon, and you can go over there. It's like $2.99, and it's got like some very easy and very delicious recipes. In fact, I've actually made one of his recipes from the book, and if you go up here somewhere, up here, you will find it. Okay. Alright, y'all. That's all we got for this video. We hope you enjoy it. We hope maybe it helps in the setup. So, Hobbs, thank you for the suggestion on mentioning the playlist. That was a really good suggestion there. When the camera was off, I started the truck, and I made me some hot tea.
So it's tea time.
Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.